Actually, there was some sun that came out. It is cloudy, but Palawan is still beautiful even though it's cloudy and rainy. So it is day, I don't know, I'll put it right here. But you know, not every day is a sunny day here in El Nido, Palawan. It's currently raining outside, so today what we decided to do is work out, you know. If there's nothing working out the way you wanted, there's always a backup plan. And yeah, so our backup plan is going to the gym right now. So, you know, health is wealth. I think that's the biggest flex in 2022. So if you think that something else is your flex, you know, more power to you. So, so yeah, here's the gym tour right now. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. So we just got done with the gym. The only thing I didn't record is myself doing warm up, which was the treadmill and warming up the arms so that you don't mess up your rotator cuff, especially when you're benching. And she's still going. Damn. Do it again. Oh, that's a good one too. It's a good burnout. Yeah, do that for an hour, okay? And I'll be back. But yeah, we're going to shower. It's finally, the sun came out. It was raining for a good hour or two, but look at that. The sun is coming out. It's overexposed, I know. Sun is out. Gun is out. What I mean by gun, I'm talking about it's a small gun, but anyway. Yeah, so our plan is we rented a bike from the hotel. They know a third party that could actually rent out the bikes. Motorcycles, bikes, etc., etc. And yeah, our plan is to head to Nacpan Beach, Angkla, and the waterfalls. We'll see if we can fit that all one day. But yeah, it's a 30-minute bike to all the way to Angkla, that's for sure, or Nacpan. So, you know, good luck to us. So we're gonna shower, and the next clips will be us heading to Nacpan. Let's go. I highly don't suggest renting a bike when it's raining because a lot of the mud's very slippery. So it really took a long time getting out here. But we're already here. We are currently at Nacpan Beach, and we came in our shorts and kind of like gym wear attire, but like we are like on the beach side front of Angkla because I don't know if they're like dress code. Strict enforcing type environment, so we decided to bring extra clothes, as you can see. But I'm not wearing shoes, obviously. I'm wearing chanelas. So we're just gonna check it out, see what's the hype of this place is about. According to Adobe, it's pricing at 40,000 pesos per night. And a lot of the artistas come out here. and pretty much advertise this place as a kind of like San Benito, the farm in Batangas. So we'll see if the food's good here. So at least we can say we've been here. Down to this way right here, that is Nacpan, the glamping area. So that was pretty neat. It's just right next to each other, so it's pretty interesting. But on the way here is a bitch when it comes to raining, because yeah, I'd rather invest more on the trike, getting out here, rather than you know, taking your motorbike. So look at baby girl, she's all dressed out. Damn. But so we have all our gear. We're gonna head over there to Nacpan. I'm gonna zoom in right there. I mean Nacpan, Angkla. Looks pretty dope from the outside, so let's see how it is. So back in the hotel. If you guys are going to go to Nacpan from either town or Charlie's or whatsoever, just be very careful renting a bike, because it's very slippery on motorbike, because it's there's a lot of puddles and it's not paved cement down that corner of Nacpan Beach, especially in that area, because when it rains, it gets very dulas, meaning in English, it is very slippery out there. So just be very cautious. When it rains, it's gonna be very muddy. So if you're really experienced with motorbike, then go for it. If not, then I highly recommend taking a trike, or if you can get a van or shuttle to drop you off there and pick you up, then that's highly recommended from our side. So yeah, what do you think about Angkla, by the way? Angkla was...
It was fine.
Angkla was...
Like, it was...
sakto.
No, it was nice, but I don't know, we can't like really say anything because we didn't stay there.
Yeah. Apparently that place is 40,000 a night, meaning 40,000 pesos, almost $750 to $800 a night. And I don't know, I'm not gonna say anything bad about it, but it was alright, you know. Food was good. I got the steak. I forgot the name of the steak. What was it, tenderloin something, right? Yeah, and it came with veggies and rice. And then what she got was the lobster rice. Was it 1.98 grams lobster? 1.9. Yeah, 90 lobster.
Because they didn't have a bigger one.
Oh yeah, that's right, because they didn't have a bigger size. Those were only 2 options. So she went for the biggest that was available at that moment. And then we got the turon. I don't think I got that photo, huh? Did I? I don't remember. Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, I got turon, and it was interesting. They served 2 popsicles. I guess it was handmade from them. We got the vanilla, and we got the mango turon. It was pretty delicious. I think that was probably the best meal from Angkla. But that spot was pretty dope. I just didn't expect that to be that pricey of a, not the meal, but the hotel was, in my opinion, pricey.
Yeah, but we didn't even see their room, so
yeah, that's true. But I saw it on the photo, so I don't know. Maybe it looks nice in person. But in my opinion, Charlie's is by far the best. Not because we're staying here. It's good for the price. Like I kid you not, it's a brand new hotel that opened up this year, and honestly, they're doing pretty well. The only thing is, I'm hoping they can put elevators so that people who are older, you know, who cannot walk, you know, as strongly as we can, to have that access for them. So Nacpan, it was pretty interesting. Obviously this whole day was raining, so not every day is gonna be a perfect sunny day. So we made the best out of it, and Nacpan was pretty dope. I would just wish it was sunny, you know, but like I said, not every day is gonna be a sunny day. And what happened? Oh, she has having side comms. I thought she was talking about me, but yeah, like I said, that's this today's vlog. We just got done with our 1 hour massages. That's why I'm like, no shirt. And we're going. It's Sunday, or actually Monday here in Pinas, and then it's Sunday in the States. So we're gonna do these Sunday mass because we like to do Sunday mass and try not to miss a mass. So if you like today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you guys want to know when the next video is going to come out. So yeah, hopefully we can do one more tour. We're thinking about either doing tour B or D tomorrow, but one of the tour guys hasn't responded because today it rained quite hard today and long than other days this past week. So hoping the sun will shine quite a long time and not rain. So if not, no worries, we'll just chill. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. So I'll see you guys on the next one. So take care.